Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply tags to S3 buckets using a Python script. So this is all kind of linked in this Notion page, which I'll link in the video description below. But the first step is that you need to download the bucket tags.csv and the apply S3 tags Python file here. One thing to note is if you're not comfortable downloading Python files from the internet, I totally understand, and I've copied the whole script down here as well, so you can just kind of click that copy button here. But after you've downloaded those, you want to put those in the same folder, and then open up the bucket tags.csv file. What you'll do here is you'll add all of the buckets you want to apply tags to in column A here. So you just want to add those buckets there. And then you will add an owner, so an appropriate owner of that bucket. It could be engineering, DevOps, IT, marketing, anything there. And then you'd add a description of what the bucket's used for, and then a classification of what level of sensitivity, like what level of sensitive documents does the bucket hold. So it could be confidential, public, anything like that. One thing to note is that you can customize these headers with really anything you want. For example, you could change description to purpose, or you could really change these to anything you want there. You can also add additional columns, so you could add a environment, and then it could be prod, QA, dev. You could add like a PHI header, and then it could be true, false. So that is up to you for kind of your strategy. But I will go ahead and run the script here. So I'm going to run the Python. I'm in the folder already, and then I'm running the apply s3 tags.py. And it's going to quickly do its work and go apply the tags. And then just to check our work here, we're going to get the bucket tagging for one of those buckets we applied it to. And you can see that it added the tag set of the owner, IT, and it added the description and classification tag as described in that CSV file. So that's it for this video. If you got value out of the video, please like the video. And yeah, that's it. Thanks all. Happy auditing.